posted a video, but I wanted to make another quick one. So, this is my cat, Oscar. I think he's been in a video before. I'm not quite sure. Anyway, this is Oscar. Hi. I've had him since he was like little. And so last week when I went to Lynn's Lake, he was not this big. He was not this fat. Look how fat he is. Huge! Huge on an airplane! This is the new fashion now. Wearing a cat. He looks just downright miserable. Okay, look at that. What is he looking at? I don't know. But he's very cute. And I just wanted to tell you guys that my cat is fat. So, anyways, have a good night,